Is coming in from the national capital, and this is the aftermath, viewers, of 10/11 Red Fort blast in the national capital. We're getting to know that Delhi LG VK Saxena has directed the police commissioner and chief secretary to undertake some precautionary and preventive measures. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Priyank, what are these precautionary measures that we are talking about? Direction for these measures has gone from Delhi LG to the police commissioner and chief secretary.
Yes, Sati, that's a major development because SOP has been told to be decided by the Chief Secretary and the Delhi Police Commissioner. This is in relation to the letter which has been accessed by the Times Network, which shows that VK Saxena, the Lieutenant Governor, has told the Delhi Police and the Chief Secretary to keep a watch on all those individuals digitally who have been somewhere procuring ammonium nitrate, either they are buyers or sellers. There has to be proper check which should be there on the social media platform in relation to any kind of radicalized chatter which is happening on the social media platform. That responsibility will be given to the IFSO, which is the Delhi Police Cyber Security Wing. On the other note, there has to be community build-up exercise which need to be followed, and there has to be proper chain of mechanism which need to be developed with the neighboring states also, so that the procurement, if at all it is in a high quantity, that should be having a check and balance. So the digital record of all those individuals who are buying or selling ammonium nitrate need to be done in and around Delhi NCR is certainly something major which has come up with this letter, the direction which has been issued from the LG's office.
So it's very interesting. One, of course, these have been asked to maintain a digital record of entities purchasing and selling ammonium nitrate beyond a certain threshold. Priyank, also, we are being told that the LG has asked them to hold consultation exercise with heads of social media platforms, including Meta, and X, for scientific trafficking of radicalized content aimed at brainwashing citizens. What's also very interesting is a measure which mentions that there is a need to strengthen human as well as technical intelligence with a focus on vulnerable areas prone to radicalization. How is this going to happen?
See, time and again there has been series of meetings which happened with the social media, giants, with the Delhi police officials. Meta and other agencies do have a coordination, but this is a very crucial time for the agencies to keep a close watch on any kind of further movement, because these terror groups have certainly tasted the blood. They have managed to carry out attack here in the national capital after many years, almost a decade had passed, when they last carried out any kind of terror attack here in India. Now, after carrying out attacks there in Kashmir Valley, when they have succeeded, so it is a very crucial thing that there will be more individuals who will attempt to be radicalized and who will be having a very big aim to be achieved with respect to the kind of operation which has been happening on the social media platform. So all those foot soldiers who have been developed over the period of many years by the handlers could be pulled in for another attack. That's why the check is very important.
All right, Priyank, request you to stay on with us. We have my colleague Sagrika also joining us on the broadcast from the newsroom. She has the copy of that letter as well. Sagrika, over to you.
And directives have been issued by the Delhi LG VK Saxena in the wake of the 10/11 Red Fort blast. Here, the Delhi LG says, and I quote, officers of the Delhi police have been issued these directions that Commissioner of Police may revisit the standing order of 2022 for licensing of sale, storage and transport of ammonium nitrate in exercise of powers conferred under the Delhi Police Act. In particular, the LG has desired that police must maintain a digital record of entities purchasing and selling ammonium nitrate beyond a certain threshold, including photograph of buyers and sellers, apart from other relevant details. So here the focus is on ensuring there is absolute vigilance when it comes to the sale and also the purchase of ammonium nitrate. The LG has told top cops in Delhi that there must be a process that must be in place to ensure that there is a record of those who are purchasing and also selling ammonium nitrate, and this should be, there should be a digital record of the same. After that, DCPs have also been advised to undertake a rigorous security audit of busy markets and public places with high footfalls, including ISBT. So here, the LG has said that there should be a proper security audit of busy areas in the capital. The areas mentioned are ISBT, railway stations, cinema halls, parks, metro stations. In particular, The audit should focus on the deployment plan of security personnel, beat
Right.
roster and existing CCTV network. So here are a few things that the LG has desired. Then the police intelligence network should also be strengthened both through human tech intel with a focus on vulnerable areas prone to radicalization. Community outreach and citizen engagement should also be enhanced for more robust preventive policing. And Delhi Police should hold consultation exercises with heads of social media platforms, including Meta, Twitter, for scientific tracking of radicalization content aimed at brainwashing citizens. These are the directives issued by the Delhi LG. Over to you, Hina.
Very interesting precautionary measures there. Thank you very much, Sagrika, as well as Priyank. Appreciate both of you for joining us with these inputs. Of course, now there's going to be digital tracking of the purchase and sale of ammonium nitrate as well. That's very, very important.